The moment we've been waiting for is finally here, and Global NCAP's crash test results for the Skoda Kushaq are in. It's the first SUV introduced under the India 2.0 strategy, and let's just say it's performed exactly how you'd expect a Skoda to. Welcome to the Zig Fast Forward, all you need to know without the nonsense. The first thing you need to know is the Kushaq has been tested under Global NCAP's new and more demanding crash safety regulations, and it successfully scored the full 5 stars for both adult and child occupant safety. In fact, it's the first made-in-India car tested by Global NCAP to have scored a full 5 stars for adult and child occupant safety, making it the safest car in our market. Just how well did it do? The Kushaq delivered an overall score of 29.64 points out of a possible 34 for adult protection and 42 out of 49 points for child protection. The high score is also a reflection of how much effort has been put in by Skoda to hone the MQB A0-IN platform for India. The Kushaq, with an option of up to 6 airbags, packs in standard features like ABS with EBD, ISOFIX, ESP, rollover mitigation and tire pressure monitoring. That's right, these safety features are standard. The tests include the front offset deformable barrier crash carried out at 64 km per hour and the side mobile barrier test carried out at 50 km per hour, both using the base Kushaq with dual front airbags. The 6 airbag equipped model was put through the pole side impact test at 29 km per hour. Other evaluations include the child head form to bonnet and pedestrian lower leg form to bumper tests at 40 km per hour, with an additional assessment of the car's electronic stability control system that received Global NCAP's approval as well. The final results are understandably very technical, but Global NCAP deemed the Kushaq's footwell area as stable, while the body shell was rated stable and capable of withstanding further loadings. Of course, with stable mates like the Octavia, Superb and Kodiaq, a long-standing reputation for offering cars with a rock-solid build, strong safety equipment list and enviable road manners, the expectations for the Kushaq were already set high. Considering the new regulations are even more stringent than before, this is great news, and suffice it to say, it's reassuring for anyone looking to buy the Skoda Kushaq.